If you are struggling to turn long recordings into snackable, polished clips, I have some great news about how you can streamline your entire workflow today. We have been hard at work building powerful AI tools that automatically grab your best moments, and now our editor gives you complete control over how your captions look. Let me walk you through exactly how you can take a full, long session and turn it into something ready for social media in just a few minutes. Once you are logged into your dashboard, you can view all your recordings and instantly see the auto-generated clips that our AI has pulled for you. The AI effectively scans your entire video to identify moments that are likely to resonate with your audience, like strong lines, laughs, or emotional beats. This saves you a massive amount of time because you no longer need to manually hunt for highlights or spend hours sitting in a complex editor. Simply open one of those AI-suggested clips, hit the edit button, and you are immediately welcomed into a familiar, intuitive workspace. You will see your transcript on the left for easy text-based editing, your timeline in the center, and a live preview on the right side. What is truly exciting is the new Captions tool located right in the top bar, where you can experiment with various styles, shadows, and background blocks. You can pick a solid black background for maximum legibility or keep it clean and minimal to match the specific aesthetic of your brand. The real flex here is the deep typography control that allows you to choose from a variety of fonts, from playful displays to crisp professional sans serifs. Go ahead and pick something bouncy if you want to add personality, or select something classic to ensure your message remains professional. You can also scale the caption size from tiny to huge, adjust the line height, and use our color palette to perfectly match your brand identity. If you care about exact brand consistency, simply paste your specific hex code into the color field and your captions will match your brand instantly. Alignment is just as simple, with options to left, center, or right. Justify your text to fit the composition of your shot. Because this platform is built for the way we post today, you can immediately switch your clip to a vertical 9:16 aspect ratio for stories and reels. Once you go vertical, you maintain full control over the caption style, so you can add a white stroke with a blue fill to make that text really pop. Resizing is completely instant, so if you need to show more text on the screen at once, you can just scale the caption down and scroll through to review. Editing the clip itself is just as smooth, allowing you to drag the timeline handles to trim your in and out points with surgical precision. You can also click to cut out filler sections or delete a segment directly from the transcript, which makes cleaning up your audio incredibly fast. If you want to speed things up even more, try our magic tools like removing silences, which automatically collapses long pauses for a snappier feel. Auto-leveling is another game changer because it normalizes your audio, so every clip sounds consistently loud and clear across different moments. You can even handle complex visual customizations, such as maintaining aspect ratios when switching between portrait and landscape modes. Feel free to swap background images for your 9:16 canvas, add borders between speakers, or overlay a custom logo to keep everything on brand. Our export settings are equally flexible, allowing you to go up to 4K if you need high-resolution masters for your archive. We know other platforms exist, but many have trade-offs, like giving you great audio tools but lacking the AI that finds viral moments for you. Some simple generators lack a centralized content hub, which forces you to toggle between 5 different dashboards just to plan and schedule your posts. Vizard ties everything together into a fast, intelligent pipeline, from your raw long-form video to your final, scheduled short-form content. Speaking of scheduling, our auto-schedule feature is perfect when you want to stay consistent without having to babysit a calendar every single week. Simply set your desired posting frequency, select your social accounts, and let the AI queue and distribute your clips exactly when they need to go out. With the content calendar, you get a visual timeline showing exactly what is scheduled, what is posted, and what you still need to approve. You can drag and drop to rearrange your posts or bulk apply changes across a batch of clips so you are not wasting time on repetitive tasks. If you are doing interviews or podcasts, the multi-speaker labeling feature is incredibly handy because it identifies who is talking in the transcript. One of my favorite features is the built-in tutorial playlist that offers quick 2-minute videos on everything from microphone types to best export settings. It is essentially practical guidance that helps you scale your content production to a professional level without needing to hire a full-time editor. So, how does this look in actual practice? You upload your long-form video, and the platform immediately auto-generates a set of high-potential clips. You then jump into the editor, style your captions with your custom brand fonts, collapse those silence gaps, and add your logo to make it your own. Finally, you just choose your export settings or set it to auto-schedule, and your work is done, allowing you to focus on creating new content. Compare that to other alternatives, and you will see that Vizard sits in the sweet spot of smart clip selection, caption styling, and an integrated pipeline. For creators on a tight timeline, that is a massive difference because it makes regular, consistent posting feel realistic instead of just aspirational. I will leave you with this final tip. When picking fonts for your captions, always test them on a mobile device to ensure they are legible at small sizes. Small tweaks in line height and text stroke can truly make the difference between someone stopping to read your content or simply scrolling past it. If you are experimenting, let the auto-schedule run for a couple of weeks and watch which clips get the most traction so you can learn what performs best. If you have questions about a specific workflow, please drop them below, and we will try to make a video showing the exact settings we use. Thanks for hanging out with us, and now go take one of your long videos, let the AI pull those clips, and get more content out into the world. Stop the editing grind today and start using the tools that help you focus on what really matters, which is telling your story. We cannot wait to see what you create with these powerful new features. So get out there and start posting your best content. We will catch you in the next video with more tips to help you master your content strategy. Make sure to subscribe and keep exploring all the ways you can improve your video production process. Thanks again for watching, and remember that consistency is the key to building an audience online.